Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to this channel, Abhoroni Sewing Tips. Today, I will show you how to make Anarkali suit. This cutting and stitching. सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. First, you have to take 3 meter fabric, width 46 inches. Lining and the base main cloth both are here. First, I will cut the lining cloth. First, you have to fold the lining cloth, which length is 17 inch and width is according to your chest size. This Anarkali suit chest size is 42 inch, so I will take 42 divided by 4 equals to 10.5 and zero point 0.5 inch extra means 11 inch. This is the neck portion and the front portion neck. Length is 6 inch and this is the armhole. This is to 6.5 inch chest long. Please watch the video consciously so that you can understand. This is the length size 17 inch and this is the waist size. I will draw a line accordingly and keep 2 inches extra for loose fitting and for future loose fitting. So you can see the mark is completed, and then you have to cut the main fabric according to the lining cloth. You have to put over the lining cloth over the main base cloth so that you can take the measurement properly. The full stitching top part is ready. Look here. Shoulder part is joined and then I will cut the kali part. I mean the skirt part. I have folded 16 folds the left out fabric. First one fold means 2, two fold means 4, then repeated one fold means 8, 8 फोल्ड कली आएगा इधर, तो उधर से मैं 2 इंचेस लिया और इधर से भी 2 इंचेस लिया, तो ऑपोजिट में हम लाइन ड्रॉ कर दी। कट लिया, ये है कली, सारे कली सजा के रखा। Then I will sew all these. ये वन पार्ट का कली है और मैंने ब्रासो कपड़ा जो You can take as per your choice. Here I took brasso cloth for hand. Here 1.5 meter brasso cloth is present. Then I will make it to fold. Then 9 inches where I am pointing is, and the length is 23 inches, and the length at the bottom is 7.5 inches. Then I added 2 dots. Then you have to sew according to this. Okay, so the final look is here. Hope you like the video, and please comment, share